Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the keyboard of the Lenovo Yoga 330. Let's dive into the steps needed to successfully complete this task. First, gather the tools you will need. 1. A small Phillips screwdriver. 2. A plastic spudger or prying tool to avoid damaging the casing. 3. A pair of tweezers for handling small parts. 4. Optional, a can of compressed air for cleaning purposes. Before starting, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the laptop. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. Carefully unscrew each one using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of the screws as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 2. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges to release the clips holding it in place. Be patient, as forcing it can damage the plastic. Step 3. After removing the back cover, take a moment to clean the internal components with compressed air. Dust can accumulate inside and affect performance. Step 4. Locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is typically a flat ribbon cable. Carefully lift the locking mechanism and gently pull the ribbon cable out. If you're unsure about any step, feel free to contact us for a quote before repair. Step 5. Now, remove the screws holding the keyboard in place. These screws are often located around the perimeter of the keyboard. Keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Step 6. Lift the keyboard gently from the front edge and disconnect any additional connectors if present. Step 7. Take your new keyboard and align it properly. Connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring the locking mechanism is securely closed. Step 8. Once the keyboard is in place, reattach the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is snug but be cautious not to over-tighten. Step 9. Replace the back cover by aligning it and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws to secure it. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. Step 10. Finally, power on your laptop and test the keyboard. Check all keys for proper function and responsiveness. If something doesn't work as expected, remember, no calls, no travel, just get in touch with us for assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo Yoga 330. This simple repair can extend the life of your laptop significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.